Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was sitting here working on some earrings to go on the Faire.com website. And I'm just doing some dainty ones with the shell beads and the glass beads that I had picked up last week. And I'm using those pins, wire pins that I bought. So they're just some little dainty ones. Real simple, real easy, straight to the point. It's going to be 12 units to a case. That's what these are going to be. And I figured what I was going to do, I'm going to go ahead and try the wires. These are wires, that you get in the pack, because I normally like to use my wire to create the earrings with. But I said I'm going to use these wires. I'm going to just see how they sell. I could reduce the price a little bit more by using these wire pins. And remember, I got these on sale. I think they were $4, but I paid $2 for 100 of them. So that would get me 150. So I can get 50 pair of earrings, of course, 2 earrings, 1 earring per ear. So I'm going to use these. And then I got the glass beads. Remember, I got these at Hobby Lobby, and I like them. They're really pretty. So I said, you know what? I like the size. I like the way they look, and they'll make really nice, dainty earrings. So these are going to go on Faire. I have to take the pictures and just put the picture on Faire. And what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to do one nice big picture, something like this. And then I'll do like a up close picture, something like that, where people can get an idea about what they look like and then give a size for them. So I'll be working on this later tonight. And then I'm working on some more. We got some new subscribers too, and I wanted to thank all the new subscribers for hanging out with us and just appreciating what's on the channel. And hopefully you're seeing some jewelry making ideas, and you're being inspired and all that good stuff. And don't forget, we're over at Facebook on the Jewelry by BDK Creators Zone. So you're welcome to visit us over there, join the group. We got a contest coming up. A lot of inspiration, a lot of motivation. What I like about the ladies and the people, we have men over there too, that are a part of the group. They're very active. Their comment, they'll let you know if they don't like something, if they do like it, if you need to change it up, especially if you ask their opinion. They're good for that. And that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, encouraging one another and, making people feel like and understand that, hey, if this is what you're supposed to be doing, we support you. If you feel like this is your perfect place of peace and this is something that you are supposed to be doing, we encourage you, we inspire you, and we want you to keep doing what it is that you believe you're supposed to be doing as it relates to, your purpose here on this time side of life. And I say that all the time, that God has given us a perfect place of peace. There are many people wish they had a perfect place of peace. So when you sit down and you begin to create, and time literally just flies by, you're like, oh my God, it's been 3 hours, right? And it has been a peaceful journey that entire time. Thank God for that. Thank God for that, because that is a perfect place of peace. That is a peace that surpasses all understanding. And do you know how many people wish they had that type of peace? Man, can you imagine 7.763 billion people out of the world, but he gave you that perfect place of peace. We should be saying thank you, Father, all day long, all day long. But anyway, new subscribers, thank you for hanging out. Be sure to hit the bell too, though, so you don't hit any of the, you don't miss any of the videos that I upload. I'm going to be showing another video because I'm working on some other earrings too that I'm putting on Faire. I'm going to do those in quantities of, I think, either 6 or 8 and to a case. So that's what I'm working on. And then I'll probably start working on some necklaces and stuff. But anyway, family, we'll talk soon.